got a story to tell y'all. It's called How I Met Jesus. So, anyways, me and my boy was at my house chilling. I was like, yo, man, how about this? How about we go play some basketball? So, we walking out the house and everything. And my next door neighbor backing out his driveway. My boy like, hey, yo, I know that dude. He owe me some money. He was like, hey, yo, my dude, where my money at? So the dude was like, oh, snap, hop out his car and started shooting. My boy like, oh, snap, and we hit the ground, everything. So I say about 2 seconds later, we hop up. Dude speed off. So then my boy, I'm like, oh, man. I look at my boy, like, yo, you shot, yo. He's like, what, I'm shot where? I was like, yo, you shot like 2 spots. I was like, yo, we got to get you some Band-Aids, man. He was like, what? I was like, yeah, man, we got to get you some Band-Aids, dude. So next thing you know, I'm like, yo, man, but we can't walk and get you some Band-Aids. We got to find a gas station. So I'm like, yo, man, but if we walk, it's going to hurt you really bad. So next thing you know, we moonwalk all the way to the gas station. So we get to the gas station, we walk up in there. I say, yo, dude, where the Band-Aids at? He was like, sorry, we don't got no Band-Aids. We just ran out. I'm like, wait, I just ran out of Band-Aids. I'm like, yo, man, could you drive me back to my house so we can get some Band-Aids? So, dude, he walked us out. We hop in his car. As soon as we backing out of the store, an 18 will just come out of nowhere and just smack us. The car is flipping. Man, when I say we get out, that car is flat. It is flat, like straight flat, like to the ground flat. So we get out the car and everything. Dude like, yo, what did you do to my car? I'm like, yo, dude, just chill. We need to get some Band-Aids. That's all we need to do. Just get some Band-Aids, man. Everything will be cool if we find these Band-Aids. So next thing you know, it's a little white kid on the other side of the road on a scooter. I'm like, hey, yo, little white kid across the street. Let me hold $1. And then he's like, what? Man, can we get a ride to my house on your scooter, dude? He was like, I don't know you. I was like, come on, little man, let me ride your scooter. Me and my boys. Pause. So we all get up on the scooter, me, my boy, and the gas station dude. So we all on the little white kid scooter. We pushing, all of us together, one stride on one accord. So next thing you know, we run up in. So next thing you know, we go up to the little white kid's neighborhood. The little white kid like, hey yo. I'm like, what's good, yo? But this not my neighborhood. I think you took a wrong turn. He was like, nah, I ain't taking no wrong turn. I was like, what you mean? You trying to set us up or something? He was like, yeah, I did. So the Indian dude from the gas station, he hopped off the scooter. I'm like, yo, what you going? You forgot your helmet. He's like, F you guys. And he runs off. So I'm like, dang, man. Next thing you know, KKKs come out of everywhere. Well, I say everywhere, KKKs coming out of everywhere, man. They like, brrr, it's like 20, 30. All of them come from every side. They grab me and my boy Tice up, throw him in their house. I'm like, yo, man, what is going on? I ain't down for this. I started panicking. My boy is like, stay calm. I'm like, if it wasn't for you getting shot and that messed up foot, I don't have to get you no Band-Aids, man. No Band-Aids. So this dude all ain't got the Band-Aids. Because of him, we locked up in these KKK's house. So they separate us. I'm like, oh, man, what am I going to do? They throw me in some time machine. And next thing you know, some dude asked me to carry the cross for Jesus. I'm like, what? So I was the black dude carrying the cross for Jesus. And guess what? He gave me some Band-Aids. Bang.